So, as you all know, I am making videos from a geocentric perspective. So, let me clear up with this video that all of the astrological calculations are made from a geocentric perspective. Now, the whether the earth is stationary or not is a matter of debate. But in Vedic Hindu mythology, sun and moon are shown up with horses, but earth is not. Earth is called as Bhu-Mandal. Horses associate motion with sun and moon and thus keeping earth stationary. So, it is the sun which moves from Aries to Pisces and Capricorn to Cancer. This motion of the sun is also covered up in the Uttarayan and the Dakshinayan. If you are finding it very confusing, then for the sake of simplicity, just leave it. But remember that we are learning astrology from a geocentric perspective. Now, when I am saying that the earth is flat and stationary, then I am leaving you with many questions, such as if earth is flat, then what is below it? How can we explain the seasons? Then is gravity a false force? And finally, why we are told all this wrong? So many of the question arises. So research all this yourself. There are many videos of flat earth and explaining geocentric model on YouTube. You might go through them too. Till then, I'm your host, Roop Mishra.